Hey everybody, we're up here at, I actually don't know how to pronounce the name of it. Let's turn this around. Oh, Dreamland Adventure Park. Nature and Adventure Park. Yeah. Which is like a little zoo. We came to video something else and ended up here. You get in, it's a donation. They do put a list up there. Helen's out ahead of me with Trisha. And I didn't know anything about this place. This place is about halfway between Dumaguete and Bias City. She's probably over near the horses. Oh, there she is. Heading for the aviary. Oh, what the hell is this? I don't know what these are. My goodness, look at the size of them. I'll have to find out what these are. Kind of sound, when you tap on them, they kind of sound like a watermelon. It could be some kind of a melon, I would think. Here's the aviary. I hope the sound's okay. I'm using my mic this time. Oh. What is it?
Snake.
A snake? Where?
Under there.
Show me. Show me the snake. Oh, there's snakes? We'll find the snakes later. We'll take a look at the birds. Oh, here's one of the birds. It kind of looks like a bald eagle, but it isn't. I don't know what it is. I don't see signs. Oh. There's two of them. What is this? Oh, here we go. There's a sign. And let's see, I think this place had been shut down from the, oh my, look at this guy. Oh, he's pretty cool looking. She. Oh, not a very good camera mount. This is actually a little flexible tripod thing I bought at Walmart for probably $5. I use it as a handle, but it doesn't hold well. But I can mount my camera mount on it. That's interesting. Chickens in an aviary. Okay. Oh, it is the Philippines. I've never seen a chicken that looked like that one. I don't know what kind that might be. So there's no sign for the chicken. Oh my, look at these gobblers. That's some big turkeys. Look at that. And only one hen. Oh, another hen's loose over here. Those are male turkeys. Yeah. No, that's oh Christ. Peacock. Those are peacocks. So these are turkeys. It was definitely not camera shy. But you know what, buddy? You look tasty. Mmm. Mmm. Maybe with some stuffing. Oh, here's an egg. Oh. Oh, he don't like being ignored. We have a male peacock back there. Either another male or female, I'm not sure. I think it's probably another male that the other one got pissed at and yanked all its feathers out.
This is also a peacock.
And another peacock. And this one wants to get back in. What's she saying?
You just let them out because they will hurt their...
Ah. I have to let them out because it'll hurt the infants. Oh, wow. Oh, I didn't see these.
Didn't see that?
No, I didn't see them. Royal or Victoria crowned pigeons. I've never seen these before. Oh, these are really pretty. Wish the wire wasn't here. If they had a little glass viewer, but no. There's another bird out there running around. So you can see him outside the fence. There's a bunch of these guys. These are really attractive birds. And they got them. They're nesting. There's one up in the nest up there. And there's all this stuff like hanging down from the ceiling that they just leave here. It grows in, I guess. Oh. I got to tighten up my back brace because my back's starting to hurt. Oh, he just grabbed a handful of the stuff in the jar. Kind of been looking for a place to leave my mother's ashes. This wouldn't be too bad. She likes birds. Been looking for an orchid garden, really. Oh, here's pigs, wild boar.
There are only 3. No, 4. There are 4. The other one is
There are supposedly 4 of them. 2 here. The other one's over there wallowing in the mud. And I guess the other one's hiding in the little house. I think they'd be happier with more water, muddier. I've got some pretty good tusks on them. I don't think I'd want to fall down in this cage.
Oh my, there was a baby but he ate it.
Yeah, they'll do that.
So if
this one is eating a baby that there was. What's he saying?
There was a baby, but this one ate the baby.
Yeah, I got that part. Yeah, you don't want to fall down in there. They'll probably eat you. Yeah. They can be very aggressive. Yeah. And they're smart. They're smart as dogs. Pigs are very, very intelligent. Well, let's keep going.
Horse.
Oh, we're heading for the horses. Oh, what? Oh. This is a deer. Careful with that, Tricia. What? Since the pandemic? Say it again.
Since the pandemic, there's no enough budget to.
Oh. Since the pandemic, there's not enough people coming.
Yeah, so there's no enough budget for this park to be renovated. That was a reindeer.
These are reindeer? I think they don't have a reindeer in the Philippines. Reindeer,
what is that? Deer?
The northern species.
So
I don't know what by name it would be.
Deer is not enough. It's not
But they
enough.
might call them reindeer here. I don't know.
Reindeer na doon, di ba? Deer.
Oh, here we go.
Name.
Spotted deer.
It's not reindeer.
Yeah.
Visayan spotted deer.
All the time.
It's not reindeer. It's Visayan spotted deer. It's pretty.
I think this is the owner's kids giving us a tour of their backyard. Oh, camel. Didn't even see that. camel over there chilling. People have asked me what I'm using for a camera. This particular one is being shot with a Samsung 22 Ultra, which frankly I don't like, but does have a very good camera, but has very little memory. Both my phones, the memory is terrible. The good one, I have the Samsung Note 9. I can put a 2 terabyte memory card in it. The modern phones, you can't even add a memory card, which I was very unhappy about after I got it. It was also supposed to be the highest memory phone available. They gave me the lowest one available. So they lied to me at the Verizon store where I bought it for $1,200. And of course I promptly took it home, dropped it, busted the screen, and it cost me another $400 to fix it. Which is why I don't like it. It cost me too goddamn much money. Cheap one that I use most of the time is a Samsung 22, but it's a cheap one that I paid like 150, 200 bucks for off of Amazon. Works just as well as this one. Camera's almost probably as good, if not the same. Ostriches. These guys can kill your ass. Their legs are so strong, they'll kick you with their legs and can kill you. Not that they're intentionally mean, but this was something, but it's long shut down. Let's take a look real quick. Yeah. Oh, this was their canteen, but all still pretty much shut down from the pandemic. And the roof is not in the best of condition. Oh, let's get down here where the ostriches are. They just called them over for some food. Well, at least I can get a decent shot of these guys without something in the way.
Tapi, that's so near.
I got them. They're down in about a 4-foot deep pit. And I guess they can't climb the wall that easily. This was probably some kind of alligator or something, I would think. Or is. Water is quite green. Oh, there must be something in here. Oh yeah. There's a turtle. Oh, there's a couple of them. There's another one coming.
Another one is there. Sun button.
Oh, come on, feed the darn turtles. I guess they're limited on how much food they got to give them. The turtles ain't dumb. They're like, screw you. Aha. Careful. Not very strong.
And
I got it.
Let's go.
And the turtle got fed.
Let's go to the crocodile. I'm scared. Oh, goodness. My goodness.
Afternoon. Afternoon.
Afternoon, sir. Oh, there was a crocodile there.
Oh, this is the crocodile, apparently.
At the...
Oh, there he is.
Oh, here.
Yeah. Right there. You're getting another. Oh, there's another one over here. There's another one here. Railing is quite hot. Don't drop the camera, you ain't getting it back.
12 pieces crocodile.
He's dipping them. And there, lunchtime. I think we should tie Honey on a string, see if they'll get hungry. I don't think Honey would like that very much.
Huh?
Put Honey on the string and dip her
Oh.
if you go for a swim.
Saan nila ilang yan na i-catch? We're going to catch it. Oh, there. The other one.
Oh, there's another one coming in. Let's see that one.
Oh, see?
How many?
12.
12 of them in here.
I think they're sleeping. Oh, it was on the banana. It was on the banana tree.
Oh,
The
he
other
got
one.
smart. He was just waiting.
You saw that on the banana tree?
Oh, yeah. There's
With
another one right here.
open mouth.
Right there.
With the open mouth.
Total of 12 of them in here, apparently. Yeah. You want to go swimming? No? You don't want to go swimming? You sure? What are you afraid of?
Oh, nice. Small.
They'll only try to eat you.
There was a small crocodile.
Yeah. Well, let's see what else we got. Oh, they got a sign for this. Philippine crocodiles. Hard to... Can't see it all well. Trisha, watch out. I'm trying to video that.
Oh, yeah, baby crocodile.
Oh, little crocodiles.
It's a very small.
Yeah,
there.
way over here. Baby one.
Baby crocodile.
She don't have parents.
Where
Ay,
is
na, big dito.
Where?
Mother? Ilan ang mother?
Oh, my father.
Ah, father.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
behind the
Sign it.
palm. Look. It's open mouth.
There he is with his mouth open in the shade, chilling. Apparently there is at least
My camera is not good.
at least one of the parents is in here. Oh no, don't disturb him. He's throwing a rock over there. Oh, and there's probably another one right here. I see bubbles coming up.
They're fighting. There.
Oh, maybe he wants to breed. Maybe it's a male and female.
Ah.
This one here just chased this other one's way back there now. Maybe it was in his spot. That's my spot in the woods.
There,
Oh, you can see there's one here,
the three of
other one here, and this one's chasing that one for some reason.
3, 4, 5. Here also.
Oh, there's one here. Another one there. I'm trying to figure out where I'm looking here.
Ayaw, lag-igo dong. Kaya makakita niya sila.
Should be in screen right in the middle somewhere here. Can't really tell. Oh, here. Over here. Right about in there.
Yeah, it's very hot.
Something tells me the one didn't like the other one in its spot. Unacceptable. Get out of my shade. Anyhow, what else we got?
What is?
Is that it?
Masila ito? Horse? Horse na?
Oh, monkey, rabbit.
Ah, where's the monkey
Where?
and rabbit?
I want rabbit. She's so cute.
Feed them to the crocodile? No?
I want rabbit. Cute.
Asa ma? Oh. Asa maagi ang monkey over?
Apparently there's monkeys and rabbits yet to see.
Let's get to the monkey and rabbit.
And you can see one of the turtles there sunning himself a little bit on the rocks, or on the concrete over there below the rocks. Right about here. Very rough ground to walk on, a lot of little rocks, except for where they have the concrete. And Mr. Ostrich is coming back. Oh, there's some Shetland ponies by the look of it. They might even be smaller than Shetlands. Helen, it's what I had when I was little, like Trisha. I had a little pony like that. Not for long. It was mean.
Trisha want to ride the small horse. Come here, baby horse. Not a baby, it's a big horse. Ride. Gulo ko. Sige niya sa man.
Trisha wants to ride on the horse.
Siguro dito. Tagaan siya kids. Asa man yung kids? Pwede rin siya.
Oh, so they got them tied. I guess they're getting out of the pen. Mini horses rides, 20 pesos. Oh, if she wants to ride a mini horse,
Yeah.
she can. We'll do that.
Huh?
If she wants to ride on one, she can.
Wala na.
It's only 20 pesos, so.
Yeah.
But let's quick go
have-
see the monkey. Oh, you can't do it right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I guess what, no saddle? Okay. And they got a full-size horse. It looks a bit on the thirsty side. Oh wow, there's no water out here for this horse. Jeez. Man, that ain't cool. And a little pony in there. What do we have here?
It's a wild cat. Wild cat. Wild cat. Papa yourself.
Where?
It's called a maral. Yes.
Oh,
Wild cat. Ang sa ilang po?
kind of looks like a meerkat.
Ilang ng saing. Ilang giipon. Oh. Wild cat.
Oh, you can't see it very well through the.
Sleeping.
Yeah, it's very hard to video through the screen. Got a ring tail and it's gray and black spots on its body. It looks like a cat with a dog-shaped head, or more like a fox-shaped head. Black legs and napping.
Hiding on a
What's
small
this one?
house. It's good to
And of course, this is a very special thing here at the zoo. It's called a Filipino dog. Hello, Filipino dog. Oh, and then there's another Filipino dog. Wouldn't be the Philippines without dogs. There's another Filipino dog. Chilling out in the shade. Oh, monkeys and tiger. Ooh. Something tells me the tiger didn't survive the pandemic. They're expensive to feed. Oh, the monkey's not happy with his life.
Hello. 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 Kamusta siya? Hello. Mangita siya pagkaon. Oh, wala man tayo dalang pagkaon. Ay, biscuit. Ikaw siya biscuit? Pagkaon. Oh, Holbe. Mukha ko biscuit. Biscuit. Because she hungry.
Okay, we're going to Trisha Cam now. Oh my, look at the butt on this one.
Oh, there lang. Abri ha. Lagi siya. Okay, ayo ha? Check this squid. That's yummy. Ay, gihurot.
Oh,
Sa uban. Gihurot siya kuha.
just give them one at a time.
One lang. Kaya na pa dito. Ako.
Here, wait.
More here. There was another one here.
Yeah, well, there's
I
enough
need
for giving a
more.
whole bunch of them.
I need more.
We'll break them up small. And the poor things can get them through the bars.
Careful, it's bad monkey.
Oh.
Ah, this
See
one's
that?
like mean monkey. Ah,
Angas. Maangas.
and I'm inside the barrier. Oh no. How about this one?
Yeah. Oi,
Oh, you want another one? Now everybody gets one first, buddy.
more.
There you go. One for you.
More. Look at that
And
more.
one for you.
Oh, more.
You can have another one. Which one do you want? Oh, oh, there you go.
No more.
26 minutes, my. And here we have a rabbit hutch, I guess. I had rabbits growing up.
Ah, there was white rabbit.
There's rabbits. There's a brown rabbit back there.
Oh, kangkong.
There's a whole bunch of rabbits under this tin. Can't see probably in the video. There's more white ones over there. Whole bunch of rabbits. A whole bunch of rabbits. And of course, there's a very rare critter here in the Philippines. Only seen once in a while. Called the jeepney. The dead jeepney. Actually, you'll find plenty of dead jeepneys. Oh, there is a tiger. My goodness. Oh shit, don't let her get too close to that cage. Yeah. Not so close.
Byron.
There's a tiger. Trisha, back away.
Sleeping tiger.
Yeah. Trisha,
Ay, padobi, ha?
not so close. Period. Get it.
Saan ang isa doon?
Seen too many videos of a tiger yanking somebody into the bars, but here, Trisha, I don't care how close they are. Back away. Helen, you should back away as well. I know that the thing probably can't get his paws through there, but
Chicken head skip.
that tiger's like, I am too chill to do anything. Only one tiger? Two. Sleeping?
Yes.
The other one sleeping. Okay.
See if we can go around here and see. Yes, the rarely seen dead jeepneys. Apparently there are two tigers. Where is it? This is the one right here. The other one is asleep inside. This might be the end of the video, folks. I'm not sure. Oh, there it is.
She named Basyang.
Can't see her very well because she's back there in the shade. And I didn't bring a light. And I'm not sure how to even turn on. Oh, wait.
Only shy girl.
No, that doesn't do anything. Is this all? This the last? No more animals?
Mauna na. Last na.
Last.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well.
Tiger. Ginitan siya. Ini tayo. Ngayon dire siya gilain siya.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, guys. That is, what's the name of this place again?
Huh?
What's the name of this place again?
Zoo. Dreamland?
Dreamland
Adventure
Nature
Park.
and Adventure Park.
Dreamland
And we're about halfway between Dumaguete and Bias City.
Shore and
We got 30 minutes in. I'm not going to bother to walk out, but have a good one, folks. Enjoy the video. Like and subscribe. And what was it the guy bugged me about? Oh, make a comment. Like I said before, you're going to do what you're going to do. Have a good one, guys.